Hi guys, David from Apple Tips here, and in today's video I have another Nokia on my table, as you can see. So in today's video I'm not going to do your usual teardown that you are used to. I'm going to do a slightly different video. It is a teardown, but not really. So I'm going to tear down the phone off camera and I wanna see how fast I can reassemble this phone. Also, fun fact, this phone is the Nokia 1100. The Nokia 1100 is the best selling phone on the planet till today. There have been over 100 million units of this one sold, and I'm not sure if I said enough, there might be more. So in today's video I'm going to reassemble this phone as fast as I can, and I'm going to obviously time my reassembling. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've disassembled the phone, and somewhere here on the screen there will be a timer, because I've just said that I'm going to do a timed reassembling, and I hope I get a good result. The video will be just in time with the timer, and hopefully I can get under 10 minutes or even under 5 minutes. So timer starts now. As usual, we have the usual 6 Torx screws in the Nokia phones that we're all used to, and thankfully today we don't have anything to zoom in the video. Reassembling or even repairing, disassembling or doing anything to Nokias are really straightforward, because it's a really easy phone to fix, and that's something I do appreciate about them. Now we're going to fasten our screws here. We're fastening our 6 Torx 6 screw. Yeah, I think engineers at Nokia really thought about this. They use 6 Torx 6 screws. Really nice. Okay. Let's quickly wipe the screen like that. I did it. I'm not sure how well I wiped the screen, but now we are yeah. We did place it. Now we're going to insert the battery, and the last cover will go on the back like this. And done! In 2 minutes and 46 seconds we did it! Let's try and turn it on now. Yeah, turned on. As you can see here, it turned on. It has the usual monochrome display, and yeah, pretty nice phone. and pretty repairable too. Okay, just show me any other phone that you can fully reassemble in under 5 minutes or under 3 minutes in this case. Really, old phones really impress me, and that's why I love working with them. I really like working with newer phones too, but this type of older phones are nicer to work with. So, if you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button, like, share the video with your friends and family, and thanks a ton for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Before letting you go, let me share this nostalgic sound here. Okay, now I promise I'll let you go.